everyone, I'm Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you all 3 ways I enjoy eating avocado toast. So to begin, I will be making the toppings for my avocado toast, which will be fried egg, scrambled eggs, and pan frying some tomato slices. And that is the dairy-free spread that I enjoy using for toast as well. Okay, so I want to note really quickly, it is optional. You can just place your tomatoes on top of the avocado and toast. You do not have to pan fry them like I do. I just really enjoy eating the tomatoes hot on top of my avocados. Now that we have our toppings made, let's go ahead and cut open this avocado. So to cut your avocado, you want to slice directly down the middle and around the seed. And once you slice all the way around, you're going to place your hands on either side of the sliced avocado and you're going to turn it and it should pop right open. And then I'm going to use my spoon and get that giant seed out and just scoop around the avocado and it should come out as a whole from underneath the skin. So for my first piece of toast, sometimes I don't feel like mashing the avocado, so I'll just slice half of my avocado and place it neatly on my toast. And then top it with a delicious fried egg with some salt and pepper. And there you go, the first way I enjoy eating avocado toast. Alright, so with the other half of the avocado, I'm going to mash it in the bowl, just using your fork, and of course I'm going to add some salt and pepper, however you can season it with whatever seasonings you like, and it should turn out looking just like this. It's very, very simple. And then I will spread it on my next 2 pieces of toast. So it is optional, you can just eat it just like this. It's very delicious, but I do like to add some scrambled eggs on top of my mashed avocado. Alright, so I do want to share with you all some quick nutritional facts about avocados. They contain a variety of vitamins such as vitamin K and vitamin C. Avocados are low in saturated fat and sodium. Avocados amazingly have more potassium than bananas, and they are loaded with heart-healthy fatty acids and fiber. Alright, so moving on to the last way I enjoy avocado toast, I went ahead and topped it with my pan fried tomatoes and mozzarella cheese. This is optional as well, but you can broil it just for a few minutes to melt the cheese on top and you are good to go. I really enjoy eating it this way. This is one of the avocado toasts that I like to eat for lunch or like a midday snack. It is so good and guilt-free. Thank you for watching my video on avocado toast. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, bye-bye.